The power cord passes through the cord protector as it goes into the tool's handle. The cord protector gives extra support to the cord, preventing it from kinking and rubbing against the handle. The cord protector is made of rubber and will eventually harden and crack. Once it does, the cord can tend to kink near the handle. This can lead to broken wires. Left unprotected, the cord can also rub against the handle housings, eventually rubbing through the insulation, leaving bare wires. Replacing the cord protector is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing 1/2 of the rear handle. With the cover removed, now I can go ahead and remove the clamp that secures the cord. And I'll remove the white and black wires from the switch. Now I can remove the old strain relief from the cord. To install the new strain relief, I'll thread the wires through it and I'll reconnect the wires to the switch. First the white wire, and then the black. I'll resecure the cord and make sure I align the strain relief with the opening in the housing. Now I'll tuck all the wires back into place and replace the top half of the handle. And now you know how to replace the cord protector on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.